Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon P. In this video, we'll see together one pronoun in affirmative imperative sentences and especially with the pronoun le. Okay, so let's discover together how to construct these structures. Give it, donne-le. Donne-le, donne-le. Say it, dis-le. Dis-le, dis-le. Do it, fais-le. Fais-le, fais-le. Take it, prends-le. Prends-le, prends-le. Learn it, apprends-le. Apprends-le, apprends-le. Write it, écris-le. Écris-le, écris-le. Listen to him, écoute-le. Écoute-le, écoute-le. Invite him, invite-le. Invite-le, invite-le. Look at him, regarde-le. Regarde-le, regarde-le. Thank him, remercie-le. Remercie-le, remercie-le. Call him, appelle-le. Appelle-le, appelle-le.